Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you step by step how you can align images and photos on Canva, so let's get started. Alright guys, so let's assume I've been working on a project or design like that here with a photo or image sourced from the Canva library, and now I would like to align it. The simplest way to align an image or photo here in Canva is to left click on it and to select position here in the top right corner and to choose the alignment here on the left hand side. For example, you can align to page here to the left or to the right, or at the top or at the bottom, or let Canva apply a centered alignment like that. So everything is done automatically. Alternatively guys, you may choose a custom alignment by left clicking on your photo or image, and by moving it around here on your editing space, you can use these grid lines here for orientation. For example, if I move that image here to the left, it will be aligned to the left side of the page. If I move it to the right, it will be aligned to the right side of the page. And if I see these two grid lines here crossing each other, the vertical and the horizontal one, I may center my image just like that. Also guys, you can use these grid lines as an orientation when changing the size of your image just like that. So let me drag that top right corner of the image just like that and align that image to page here in the top right corner using these grid lines as an orientation. Repeat the same for other corners of your image to fill out the entire space of 1280 by 720 px, for example, and to align perfectly to that resolution. You can turn on and off guides and rulers, for example measured and displayed in px, by using the shortcut Shift R on your keyboard just like that, and use these as an orientation. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.